Oh, you're gorgeous. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Come here. Love you.
I love you.
As part of the preparation for today, I asked Brady and Olin to provide me a top 10 list of the reasons they wanted to marry each other. We're going to start with Brady. I know my life will always be filled with music. He will always try to protect me physically and emotionally. His smile lights up every room and makes every day a little better. My head fits perfectly on his shoulder, like two pieces of a puzzle, nice and snug. I know he will always guide me spiritually, and one day our kids will be equally blessed by his knowledge of the Word and love for our Creator. I'm a better version of myself when he is around. I know I will always be celebrated well, from the littlest of victories to the biggest achievements. I get to have the sweetest, most loving kisses for the rest of my life. I know our life will be full of people who will love and support us because he will always go out of his way to make a new friend and check in with the old. And number one, I get to spend every night having a sleepover with my bestest friend and living out the dreams of the beautiful life I know we will have. Now we get to see the differences between man and woman. Number 10, she is shorter than me. She is clearly an answer from God to my prayers to him. She shows me grace and forgives me. She makes me laugh. She is the nicest person I have ever met. She is a band nerd and understands what I do. She loves me so deeply and sweetly. She has a servant's heart. She supports me with all her heart. Number one, she loves the Lord.
In the presence of friends, family, and God,
I, Owen, choose you, Brady, to be my wife.
I pledge you my faithfulness.
Faith, honesty, and love, I choose you.
I choose you.
I promise to stand beside you as your husband and friend, for better or for worse.
In sickness and in health, in joys and in sorrows,
As long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Owen, you may now kiss your bride. It is my honor and privilege to present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Owen.
Brady, you're the best and truest friend I've ever had and will ever have. Olin, you're kind-hearted and devoted, and you mirror all of the qualities that I love about Brady. Olin, I hope you love growing old with her as much as I've loved growing up with her.
Brady, thank you for finding Owen. We've all been wondering, and many people here have been praying on their knees daily for Owen to find a lady who loves him and who keeps God in the center of things. I love both of you guys so much, and everyone that in here looking around at you guys today, they share the same love for you.
All I have to say is that this couldn't be the happiest day of my life. It really is. Walking down that aisle was an incredible feeling that only a father will have when they're walking their daughter down. And I am so happy for the two of you, and I'm so happy you're my son.
Being here today with you guys is just a special thing for us. We love you, we love you, we love you. Thank you, and let's party, I think. Yeah.